Welcome. This is Cynthia Challoner, editor of the Pharmaceutical Sciences Manufacturing and Marketplace Report, an exclusive feature of the new Pharmaceutical Technology Biopharm International Marketplace, which is an online community focused on products and services for drug development and manufacturing. I'm here today with Dr. Nick Johnson, Strategic Marketing Director for Modified Release Technologies at Catalent Pharma Solutions. He's here to talk about the recent developments in technology for orally disintegrating tablets. Thank you for joining me today, Nick.
Hello, Cynthia. It's a pleasure to speak with you today.
So what do you see as the unique formulating challenges for orally disintegrating tablets?
Okay, well, I guess to begin with, you need to sort of consider why you'd require a fast dose formulation and how you'd apply those. So, these are formulations that are developed when patients have specific needs, particularly such as the young and old, which are groups that inherently can have problems swallowing. And ODTs are also needed for specific diseases and conditions where solid oral dose forms might be a problem. So, for example, you might think about where very high levels of compliance might be required with diseases such as antipsychotic therapies. In those cases, fast dissolved formulations can be a real benefit to the caregivers, ensuring that their patients are properly medicated. You might think about patients who are suffering from nausea, for example, due to other medications, and they might find it difficult to swallow solid oral doses as well. And then, fast dissolved formulations are also a great way for developing convenient dose forms for OTC products when you might need a medication on the go for areas such as pain relief or GI complaints that many people can suffer from when they're traveling and around and about. When you look at all these areas, what you see is that for an effective fast dissolved formulation or an orally disintegrating tablet, one of the key things you need is rapid dispersion in the oral cavity. Otherwise, the benefits of fast dissolved formulations are just not obtained. And then you also need to consider some other aspects, such as effective taste masking of the active ingredient. And if they're bitter or they've got an unpleasant taste, if they're not properly masked, then you're just never going to be able to obtain a successful formulation. And then there are other more sort of conventional aspects, if you like, of formulation to consider, such as what's the dose that you need for the activity you require, and making sure the formulations are sort of suitably stable and robust for development of a commercial product.